Dogecoin was one of the most incredible performers in the cryptocurrency market during 2021, peaking in May before gradually descending in the following months. However, there is still numerous reasons to be optimistic about Dogecoin's prospects, with the developers keen to implement additional use cases to boost the coin's value proposition. Hey everyone, you're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest news about crypto, blockchain, and NFTs. Make sure to watch the video until the end and hit that like button if you find it informative and unique. Also, beware of the scam comments in the comment section. Don't give anyone your personal info or even sign on to an anonymous site. We'll never ask you to contact us on WhatsApp. In this video, we're going to explain the Dogecoin price prediction, where it is and how it would perform in the future. It's price prediction for 2023, so without further ado, let's hop into the video. Dogecoin price history. As one of the best meme coins in the cryptocurrency market, Dogecoin has had a volatile past with incredible highs followed by dramatic lows. Ultimately, Dogecoin's creators never expected the coin to generate the mass appeal that it has, and most market analysts didn't expect the currency to sustain this appeal. With that in mind, let's explore the coin's history before diving into our Dogecoin price prediction. Dogecoin was created by two software engineers, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, as a joke back in 2013. The creators aimed to parody the initial appeal of cryptocurrencies, so they created Dogecoin as a payment system with the face of a Shiba Inu dog, similar to the famous Doge meme. Once the coin was launched, Marcus and Jackson didn't expect to gain any momentum, but the opposite happened. The price of Doge rocketed over 300% shortly after launching in 2013, which came as a surprise to the developers. This bullish trend continued in the following years and hit a high of $0.017 in early 2018, meaning that the coin breached a market cap of $2 billion for the first time. However, although these prices and increases were impressive, they were still a drop in the ocean compared to the movement seen by those who chose to invest in Bitcoin and other major cryptos. The most notable move in the Dogecoin crypto price came in early 2021, when the price surged by more than 8,600% between January and May. Much of this was due to the massive attention from social media, combined with mentions from high-profile names like Elon Musk, Snoop Dogg, and Mark Cuban. Doge reached an all-time high of $0.7376 on May 8, 2021, which would have given the coin a market cap of over $70 billion. However, this high was short-lived, and Dogecoin price has gradually descended over 84% to reach today's price. This year specifically, Dogecoin actually got off to a great start, rising over 57% between January 10th and January 14th. Again, this upsurge was only temporary, and Dogecoin has lost since 45% of its value based on today's price. Overall, the Dogecoin stock price hasn't made any significant moves in 2022 thus far, with the ongoing situation between Russia and Ukraine causing fear and uncertainty in the crypto market. Today's price is the lowest Dogecoin has been since April 2021, which is still a remarkable increase from where it was at the beginning of last year. Is Dogecoin a good investment as we move further into 2022? This is a question that many meme coin enthusiasts ask all the time. Keep watching as we dive deeper into how the price of Doge could perform in the near future. Much like when you buy Bitcoin, it's wise to get an idea of Dogecoin's prospects over the short term and long term before you make your investment. As noted previously, the Dogecoin price today is hovering around $0.1192, down 30% since the beginning of 2022. However, given this start, what sort of performance can we expect from Dogecoin in the remainder of the year? It's important to know that Dogecoin has strong support from both retail investors and high net worth investors. An article from CNBC reported that billionaire Mark Cuban said Dogecoin was at its strongest when being used as a medium of exchange. Cuban doubled down on this statement by accepting Doge as a payment method for Dallas Mavericks merchandise, which helped boost sales dramatically. This aspect of Dogecoin's utility was also reinforced by Elon Musk, as The Guardian reported in January 2022 that Tesla would be accepting Doge as a method of payment for the car maker's merchandise. Musk has previously referred to Dogecoin as a people's crypto, with this announcement paving the way for other use cases for Dogecoin. These use cases are essential to Dogecoin's long-term success, as high price levels cannot be sustained purely by speculation and retail buying. The acceptance of Doge by the Dallas Mavericks and Tesla could pave the way for more companies to allow customers to purchase items using this crypto, increasing demand for Doge. Due to this, our Dogecoin price prediction for 2022 estimates that the coin could reach $0.35 by the end of the year, a 191% rise from today's levels. Dogecoin price prediction 2023. When making a Dogecoin price prediction for the longer term, it's essential to understand that Dogecoin is underpinned by blockchain technology, although it's slightly different from other major cryptos. Dogecoin's blockchain is similar to Litecoin's and is based on script technology. Ultimately, this means that mining is more complex than traditional proof-of-work chains, although Dogecoin is still able to process upwards of 40 transactions a second. As noted by blockchain.com, over 83 million transactions have occurred on Dogecoin's network, with over 24,000 taking place in the last 24 hours. The average transaction fee on the network is only $0.15, which is far less than the hefty fees paid on the Ethereum network during periods of high congestion. Overall, these statistics show that although Dogecoin's network isn't the most scalable, it does have a solid foundation to support larger influxes of transactions in the future. Given this factor, Dogecoin has become more widely used as a tipping mechanism online. Notably, an announcement on Dogecoin's official subreddit last year highlighted that a tipping bot had been created, which allows Twitter users to tip other Twitter users. This garnered a lot of traction, especially since the fees for transferring Doge to another person are relatively low. This path seems to be the most appropriate for Dogecoin to follow in the years ahead, as it's unlikely that major corporations will begin utilizing Doge due to its meme coin status. As younger generations continue to be introduced to the crypto market, Dogecoin would become more widely used due to the coin's approachable aesthetic, opening up pathways for future advances in the previously mentioned tipping service. Overall, if this occurs, we would expect more demand for Doge from retail investors and internet users. As such, our Doge price prediction for 2023 estimates that the coin could reach 60 cents, an increase of 393% from today's price. It can't be ignored the fact that Dogecoin offers the advantages of being a fixed inflationary currency, which makes it synonymous with real-world fiat currency. This unique characteristic allows Dogecoin users not to hoard the tangible asset and bank on more liquidity, since they actively trade and use their currencies. However, it is to be seen that more and more people are becoming aware and at the same time vulnerable about their investments, as markets are becoming more and more competitive. Some faith riders have poured their confidence into coins and ride high stallions. With a lot of money driving the crypto market wave and developments, Dogecoin's future may see a considerable surge in the current price. The Dogecoin price is expected to hit new highs of 75 cents in the future. That wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about our uploads. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.